Hi friends, good morning and welcome to your 10-minute yoga for stretching. Today we're going to focus particularly on stretching through our shoulders, our hamstrings, and our hips because those are the areas where we tend to hold most tension in our body and where we tend to be inflexible, especially in the lower body area. So if you're ready to just wake up your muscles and feel good into your body, who doesn't love a good stretch class? I will walk you through these stretches. So maybe just grab anything you may need, a couple blocks along with your yoga mat, and let's get started. We're going to start nice and gentle today, lying all the way down, but in a Supta Baddha Konasana. So it's called a reclined butterfly. The soles of our feet are together with the knees open wide. And take one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Just allow yourself to close your eyes in this moment as you sink deep into your body, into your breath. Take a deep breath in as you feel your belly rise up. And exhale, let it go as you feel the belly drop back down to the earth. Inhale, deep breath in. Exhale, breathe it out. Now on your next inhale, you're gonna take your arms up and over your head. So stretch them like you're waking up in the morning. And then on the exhalation, you're gonna close your knees together and bring the arms beside the hips. Inhale, open the knees, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, close the knees, arms come back down. Inhale, open the knees, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, open the knees, reach up. Exhale, knees together, arms come down. Stretch your right leg forward and start to hug your left knee in towards your chest. Start to really pulse it in towards your body here. So we open up through the hip. And then take your left sole of your foot to face up towards the sky. Start to grab onto the outer edge of your left foot. You can always modify and grab anywhere up along the outer edge of your leg or use a yoga strap. Your right arm will reach towards the side and we're just taking a half happy baby stretch to really open up in the left hip. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And then release. Switch sides, left leg extends, right knee hugs in. Take your arms and just hug it in, tiny baby pulses to really bring mobility into that hip. Take your left foot straight up towards the sky, flexing the foot, and start to grab along the outer edge of your foot or maybe your two big toes. Taking a half happy baby, your left arm extends out. You're trying to reach your knee towards your armpit as the bottom of your foot faces up, really opening up our hip. It's like a half yoga squat when we're seated, except we get the benefit of having an inversion as we're lying down. Then let's release and take both of your feet to flex up towards the sky. Bring your knees in towards your armpits as you grab along the outer edges of your feet. Hold it here. If you want a little spine massage, rock side to side. This is a full happy baby pose. Opening up our hips as we bring our knees closer towards the armpits. Breathing in and out, try to relax your shoulders towards the ground. Good, and then release, and we'll extend our legs forward, dropping them down on the mat. You can roll up into a seated position or just come on up, however is easiest for you. Once you're rolled up, we're gonna take a hamstring stretch, so it's a seated forward fold. Allow your feet to open as wide as your hips. We're gonna inhale and open our arms, reach them up, and exhale, reaching towards the toes. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, start to let the head fall forward. And we're just holding it here.
Really thinking about lengthening and elongating the spine as we bring the forehead towards the toes. And remember, it's not about touching your toes, it's about what you experience on the way. So if you can't reach your toes, maybe just grabbing around the knees. And breathe. Relax your face. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. And as you inhale, come on up. We're going to take our left leg as we bend it. And when we bend our left knee, roll your calf muscle towards the outer edge. Now, if you can't put your leg like that, just take a single-legged butterfly as the left sole comes into the right thigh. So whichever variation you like. If you bend the knee like how I am, it will be deeper in the hamstring. We're going to inhale and reach our arms up towards the sky. Keeping that right foot flexed, start to reach your fingers towards that foot. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale, lengthen forward. And you just hold it here. And finding stillness in our postures is super beneficial, especially when we're trying to work on promoting flexibility. It's important that we hold and really practice on developing that patience. Keeping the mind silent from any thoughts and just focusing on stretching and feeling great. Take another deep breath in. Exhale out. And as you inhale, lift your upper body. Switch sides. So before you do that, first extend the left leg out and then bend your right knee in, whichever variation. Single-legged butterfly or bending the right knee back as it reaches towards your bum. Remember to roll the calf muscle out. We'll inhale and reach our arms, lift them up, and exhale, fold forward, keeping that left foot flexed. Inhale, open through your chest. Exhale, lengthen forward. Hold it here. The more flexion we can maintain in our left foot, so meaning those toes point up, the deeper we can go into our hamstring stretch. Allowing your shoulders to melt heavy. Melt away any tension, any weight that you're carrying. And then slowly come on out. Extend your right leg first to come up. We're going to take our legs back into tabletop position. So we're on all fours. Keep your hips directly over your knees, and you're going to walk your hands forward into puppy pose. This is one of my favorite stretches here to really open up the shoulders. And once you're in your puppy pose and your forehead is relaxed on the mat, if you like to go deeper, bend your elbows, keeping your palms together in prayer and taking the palms behind your neck. So this adds a nice tricep stretch here to the upper body as you open up your chest. This is a great way to realign your spine, fix your posture. And just hold and breathe. Allowing yourself to melt deeper and deeper. Take another deep breath in. Exhale out. And as you inhale, extend your arms forward first, and then walk your hands into tabletop position, all fours. We're going to inhale and lift the right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle so your right arm will come under the left. And once you rest your head down, you extend your left arm forward. So both arms are extended in a T, creating like an L shape with the arms. Keeping the hips up high. This is a great posture for you if you're in a seated position for long periods throughout the day. Take another deep breath in. Walking your left hand under your shoulder, you're going to push your weight up, open the right arm up, and exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, open the left arm so we switch sides. Exhale, thread the needle as you slide it underneath. Both arms will extend. Really reaching those fingertips away from the body, away from the shoulders. And just allow yourself to relax, to breathe. Letting go of any tension, any tightness, restrictions that you're feeling in the body and in the mind. Just let it go. We're gonna rock our right hand underneath our shoulder. Push your weight up, lifting the left arm up towards the sky, and exhale, bring it back down. Our very last posture we will do for today is our pigeon, which is honestly like the best stretch ever. We're gonna extend our right leg back behind us, and then we're gonna take our right knee to our right wrist, and make sure your left leg is straight back behind you towards more of the center of the mat. And you want your weight even, so you don't want your weight too much on your right side, but also not too much on your left. You want it in the middle, so you start to feel the stretch in your right hip and your glute. We're gonna do a little body wave, so as we open up our heart, look forward, exhale, dive and hover your forehead over the mat, and just wave the body back up for 1. The body as you hover down, waving up for 2, dive and hover it down, wave it up for 3, and you can hold here, or if you're ready to fold all the way down into your sleeping pigeon, you can take that variation as well. If you want to extend your arms up towards the sky into your seated pigeon, just hold and breathe as you go deep into your right hip, making sure to keep your weight centered. And if you haven't already, make your way into sleeping pigeon. You'll either stack your arms like a pillow underneath your forehead, maybe use blocks, or you can extend your arms all the way forward as your forehead comes down. And this is a really great opportunity to melt into this pose, to find that sanctuary of peace. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, slowly let it out. And then we'll lift our upper body up into pigeon. Make your way into tabletop position, all fours. And then we'll extend our left leg back behind us. Keep your hips square. Take your left knee to your left wrist, making your way into pigeon stretch. Remember, your back leg is nice and centered in the mat. Our hips are squared and facing forward. Inhale, open your heart. And exhale, wave the body down. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, wave it down. Inhale as you lift. Exhale, hover down. Lifting the upper body, staying up here, or you can fold down into your sleeping pigeon. Maybe you want to bring the arms up towards the sky. If you're holding, you're seated. Thinking about really maintaining the shoulders down and away from the ears. And let's hold our sleeping pigeon. So our arms will come down underneath our forehead for support. And just let your body be heavy as it melts towards the earth. Allowing that left hip to open. This is a great way to release any tension that you're feeling in your lower back. Take a long inhalation. Exhale, slowly breathe it out. Rise the body up, and we'll make our way into tabletop position. And then make your way into seated as you cross your legs. Let us close off our practice as we reach our arms up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, taking your hands in front of your heart and thanking yourself for stretching your body, for feeling great. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to Yena Yoga. I will see you all next time. Namaste.